Good afternoon, everybody. This is Alex with Master Odor Removal. I'm in South Miami, but not actually too far. We're in North Miami Beach at this beautiful property where they have the main house up there, which we'll go through in a second. And they also have this Casita. Well, apparently his last tenant at $7,000 a month was a cat. She created a cat sanctuary. No kidding. And I'm the king of cat urine. Read my reviews. But she had 30 cats in here, and I'm going to get other pictures that he's going to send me of what it looked like. But they've sealed the floor. He sealed the floor. He never told me that before the phone, before he called us. And that, you know, we can only do the best that we can do. We can only mitigate it. We can't get through the sealant, the chemical, but we're going to try. And we told him we'll give it our best shot in here. But nice little casitas. Here's the bedroom here. Again, they sealed the floors, so I told them we could not guarantee it. They also used enzymes in here, and they used an ozone machine. And I knew I smelled another air freshener. And there it is. So anyway, we want to unplug these air fresheners before we get going. And so what we're going to do is we're going to service the floors hardcore in here. Also, he was really astounded that I said that we're going to service the drains in the bathtub because he said, yeah, they were doing a lot of stuff in this tub with the cats and you can smell it. On a scale of 1 to 5, this is a 4. But just a lovely 1920s renovated casitas here. And now we're going to go into the main house. They're doing pressure washing, so we got to listen to that while we're here. I'm sure that's going to be quiet. Is that a quiet one or is that a loud one? Anyway, great. That's hazard pay when you're okay. So this is the master bedroom. He extended it. This is actually a renovation. They actually painted all the walls. The cats were in here as well. Here's one of the bathrooms. It's just lovely. We're in a lot of older Art Deco places here in South Florida, all over, including South Beach. So here's the new flooring. They had a leak in here, water spill, that he had to replace all the flooring because it warped. As you can see, these two are different. So we pulled down the blinds because we're going to service the blinds and we're going to look for urine stains. There was dogs mainly in this unit, in the main house. This corner, he said, is a real bad corner. So we'll treat that real heavy and do the best that we can. But again, just lovely. This is the main entrance, I guess the living room area, entrance, dining room. And here is the kitchen where we're all set up because this is where the water is. But we're going to start with that back end unit. The laundry room's right here. We've already started to pull it out a little bit because we're going to service behind it because cats love to go behind there. But just a lovely property, super owner, a really nice guy. Frustrated because he's had realtors here and people coming to look at it, but they won't move in because of the odor, which is obviously universal, at least here in the United States. If it smells like cats and dogs and you don't own cats and dogs, you're not going to, even if you do, you're not going to want to move into somebody else's mess and smell. So that's really basically it. I'll show you the outside of the property. It's just gorgeous. Lovely little neighborhood. And there it is there. And we are cat urine odor removal specialists, and we look forward to earning your business as well. And as always, thanks for viewing.